Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to fix the Buy It Now button in Shopify. So here I am in my Shopify store, and I am here in the black t-shirt product page. And as you can see, I only have the Add to Cart button right here. And then the Buy It Now button is missing. It should be below here, the Add to Cart button. So in order to fix that, we just need to go to our Shopify dashboard, go to our online store, and from here, we just need to click on the Customize button. So after clicking it, we will be redirected here to our Shopify store where we can customize it. So just click this button right here, go to Products, and then go to Default Product. And then from here, we can open the product information block and then click on this one, the Buy buttons. So click on it, and as you can see, the dynamic checkout buttons is turned off. So you just need to turn this on. So after I turned it on, as you can see, now we have two buttons, the Add to Cart button and then the Buy It Now button. So that is how you fix that. So we can just save this, and then when we are here, we can just reload our Shopify store, and then now we can now see the Buy It Now button. And then that is it. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.